To tie the constricting hitch, wrap your rope around the object and cross over to create an X. Once you've created your X, you're going to take the working end of the rope and cross over the standing end. You're going to take the working end and run it through the X. Pull it tight, and the harder you pull on the constricting hitch, the tighter it wraps around the object. In the next part of the video, I'll be showing you how to tie a quick release version of the constricting hitch. Start by wrapping your rope around the object and creating your X. Make sure that you pull a little bit more slack so you have enough room to make your bite. Once you've created your X, you're going to simply make a bite and run it through the middle of your X. Once you have the bite through the X, pull everything tight and dress your knot. Simply pull on the short end of your bite and the knot will break free.